Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations Crafttube Flosstube. My name is Tia. Today I'm going to give you a little bit of an update on what I've been doing, what's been happening and what I've been making. So at the moment everyone is making textile bowls. All the slow stitchers are making them and I thought I would have a go. I've made little fabric bowls before, but this one's different and then mine's different again. So this is the one that I made. So, and it's based on the bowl cozy that you use to hold your bowl for hot food, cold food. Can go in the microwave if it's all 100% cotton. But this is just a little textile bowl, all slow stitched, all done by hand, little elements, and they've got a yo-yo and a little flower, some lace, some little hexies, more lace. So yeah, the original, so Sarah from Crochet Creations by Sarah, so they're the sister team that run Crochet Creations Journal of Stitchery projects. Sarah had made a bowl for one of the projects in the Journal of Stitchery, and hers was a small bowl, circular, but I thought I'd try and do it a little bit different. And what I did was I made a template. Can you see that? Focus, focus. It's a 4-inch square, so you need 8 by 8 bits of fabric, and then you fold it in quarters and cut out the shape. Now to do these little darts, I measured in 1/4 of an inch and made a mark, measured down 1 inch, made a mark, and the same on the other side, so it's symmetrical. And then you place that on the fold of your fabric and cut it out, and then sew your darts together, and that's what gave it the curved shape. So I'm very happy with that. That will sit on my desk and get filled with stuff. So that's my bowl. Now the other thing that I finished was, move that, was my wild boho inspired embroidery. So the last time you saw it, I was filling in all of these white beads and sequins. So I'm still on that buzz from when I was a child. Nothing ever had my name on it. So any chance I get to make something with my name on it, I will do it. So that is that. It's so textured and it will just sit up on my shelf. And I haven't finished the back. That's what Nicole Vogelsinger says, is that, you know, that's the hoop guts. So we won't be finishing the back, but that's all finished. So what that also means is I've got an empty project box. So we could possibly start something new. I've got something in mind that I've been wanting to do for a long time, but I'm still pondering over whether I should or not. But that's that one finished. So, and then not ages ago, a while ago, I showed you my little cushion that I made. It's a little embroidery cushion, the Nightmare Before Christmas, and that's the fabric on the back. So I bought the other 2 kits that go with that set. So there's Sally and then there's Jack. So I've started and finished Sally. Let me show you her. There she is there. So she's all done. And I'm going to make cushions the same as this. And they'll just sit in my dough ball at Halloween through to Christmas. So that's that one. And then Jack, I've started Jack and I'm just working, that's his nostrils and the bottom of his eyeball. You can see that's those two bits. So I did these, I was sitting in the car waiting for Abby at work and sat and stitched those. That took me not even a day, including all the back stitch. So that is those. What else have I been doing? Finished. I showed you, oh gosh, let's go that way, the rabbit I'm making for my friend's daughter. So it's going to need a good iron. Let me just grab the pattern. Right, so this is Cottontail and you can buy it on Peony Patterns website. So I've done all of the embroidery now, and I'm going to paint in the butterflies with Inktense pencils, and then that's all done. So now I've just got to cut out all the patterns. That's the dress I'm going to make for the bunny. So that's where I'm up to with that. And that's about it for, oh no. Right, I started a new shawl. I was sitting in the car waiting for Abby. Didn't feel like cross stitching, so I went and got a ball of wool from work. What's happened there? I've done too many stitches in there, I think. No, I haven't. From work and just sat in the car. So this is Moda Vera Valley and it's an 8-ply acrylic and it uses the whole ball. So it's a pattern that I found on YouTube. I've seen it, I saw it a long time ago and thought I wanted to have a go at it. So this is where I'm up to. It's very, very quick. I've made shawls before. I've done the virus shawl and I've done, you know, other just plain shawls, but this one was a little bit different. So that is that, and I'm using a 4-ply hook. Now these were on clearance at work and they're flat and I don't think I like them. So it's the Knit Pro Waves, but I think I prefer a round handle. But I love the Knit Pro knitting needles, so I thought, well, you know, they're normally like $10 a hook, and it was, yeah, I don't know what I paid for it, but I don't think I like it. But anyway, we will persevere. So that's my shawl. But I think that is about it. I don't think there's been anything else. I've been doing my watercolour every day. Maybe I'll show you that. I don't know where we got up to last time. That was Tropical Cyclone Alfred. that was back on the 9th of March. Like, how are we already 2 weeks gone? Anyway, dandelion, little funky flowers. Look at my bird. I just love him. He is just the coolest little dude. When I was looking on Pinterest, there's a whole series of these little quirky birds, so they're going to be fun to paint, but I really do like him. Just some sunshine that was done with thin washi tape. Just some circles using the blues from my palette. Some whimsical mushrooms. Now all of these in here I've found on Pinterest and used them as inspiration. They're very similar but different, only because it's watercolour and is all very new to me, so it's the best way to learn. I did a lighthouse, some flowers. This was the negative, it's called negative watercolour, I think it's called. It's just a different technique. These little random flowers. And then that was yesterday. I'm still finishing that. I'm doing that neurographic, and this is today's, which I need to finish. These will be butterflies. So that's where I'm up to. So that's day 27. Today is day 27, which is the 21st of March. So that's where I'm up to in my watercolour journey. But yeah, that's about all of it from me. This was the piece that I had woven, and I'm still stitching it together. It takes a long time, and I think I might make a boxy pouch. So this one I made a long time ago out of hexies, but I thought maybe I'll make another boxy pouch out of this one. I don't know, will I have enough? I'll have to work it out, but I haven't done any more on that. That's just plain running stitch, so nothing very exciting there. But I think that's about it from me and what I've been up to. Hopefully I'll be back. So today's Friday, work today. I've got the weekend off, which will be nice. But I'll try and get back early next week. We'll see how we go. But that is my little bowl, and that's it from me. So I hope you have a wonderful day, everybody. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.